Sa vlog ngang ito mga kalingap ay ating mapapanood kung paano nga ba napanalunan ni Amabel ang Binibining Camarines Norte 2025.
Meron tayong river, meron tayong mountains, at maraming pang iba. Kaya wala na ba kayong hahanapin pa sa Camarines Norte? Kaya bisita na sa Camarines Norte. And of course, gusto ko nga palabatiin lahat ng mga nanonood sa atin sa ating live stream. Nako, hindi lang Camarines Norte ang nanonood sa atin. Buong Pilipinas at buong mundo. Designed by their personal wardrobe providers. We are presenting back to you our 70 candidates of Binibining Camarines Norte 2025 in their evening gown competition.
Mga kalingap, sa gabi ng ito ay ating mapapanood ang pinakahihintay na pageant ni Amabel. Ito nga ang pageant na dinaraos dito sa Daet Camarines Norte tuwing buwan ng Abril. At ito nga ay matagal na pinaghahandaan ng mga candidate dahil ang premyong matatanggap nga dito mga kalingap ay tumataginting na 100,000 pesos. Kaya naman, 17 na dalaga ang sumali dito at talagang nagpursige na magrampa mga kalingap. At ipakita ang best nila sa maraming tao. Dahil gaya nga ng mga beauty pageant na ating napapanood sa TV, ay meron ding elimination round na kung saan pipili ng 10 sa 17 na candidate. At pagkatapos ng 10 ay 5 kandidata na lang ang matitira. Kaya naman bigay todo na ang mga kandidata bago pa pumili ng 10 candidate na makakapasok sa question and answer. Ang question and answer nga ang babasihan ng mga judges sa pagpili ng top 5. Kaya naman talagang dapat ay hindi ka lang maganda kung hindi talagang matalino pa at magaling sumagot mga kalingap. Pero kung napanood nyo nga ang huling vlog ni Kalingap Tata nung nakaraan, bago pa sumali si Amabel sa pageant na ito, ay talaga namang na-trained at nasubukan ko. Kaya naman masasabi ko talaga tungkol sa Amabel ay makakapasok sa top 10. Dahil umpisa pa lang talaga nang makilala ko si Amabel mula ng aking na-scout, ay bumilib na ako sa kanyang taglay na talino mga kalingap, determination sa kanyang pangarap. Kung mapapansin nyo nga ay tila hindi namin naumpisahan ang beauty pageant na ito dahil nga anong oras na kami nakapunta dito mga kalingap. Pero ganun pa man ay ginawa namin ang aming makakaya ni Kalingap Tata para nga makahabol at mapanood si Amabel sa kanyang pagrampa. Dahil bilang nagbablog nga sa kanya mga kalingap ay andito kami dahil gusto namin suportahan siya at mapanood siya sa kanyang achievement. Hanggang sa heto na nga, lumabas na nga sila Amabel mga kalingap. At number 9 nga po si Amabel. Grabe, napakaganda nga po ni Amabel sa gabing ito. Matatawag ko, siya po ay Black Beauty kahit nasabihin natin siya ay morena. Pero talagang lumalaban siya sa abot ng kanyang makakaya mga kalingap. At talaga namang mapapawaw ka habang nanunood mga kalingap. Masasabi ko ngang napakabait at napakahusay din ng trainer ni Amabel na talaga namang tsinagaan siya na i-train mga kalingap. Kaya naman sa ganito ang kinalabasan kay Amabel. Kung naandito nga lang ang kanyang tatay, ay nako, sasabihin na naman nun tutubo ang kanyang paa sa sobrang kasiyahan na makita si Amabel na rumarampa. Sa mga hindi nga nakakalam, si Amabel ay isang working student at self-support sa kanyang pag-aaral dahil nga isang PWD ang kanyang tatay at ang kanyang nanay naman ay housewife lang. At meron nga silang maliit na tindahan na pinagkukunan nila ng pang-araw-araw. Pero kung minsan ay hindi nga daw ito sapat sa mga pangangailangan niya lalong-lalo na sa tuwing sasali siya ng pageant. At kung inyong matatandaan, si Amabel at si Krista ay sabay kong na-scout sa araw na yon, mga kalingap. At talaga namang bumilib ako pareho sa kanilang dalawa dahil kung si Krista maganda at talented, si Amabel naman ay beauty and brain. Kaya naman talagang para na akong ate niya na lagi nakasupport sa kanilang dalawa ni Krista anuman ang pageant o singing contest na salihan nila ay talaga namang aking sinusuportahan sa abot ng aking makakaya. Grabe, ang daming ang supporters ng ibang candidate, mga kalingap, habang si
Mr. Yasser Luis Almagro, along with Miss Isabella Jane.
At hato na nga, tinawag na nga ang mga candidate na makakatanggap ng minor award na kung saan nga si Amabel ang unang tinawag bilang Best in Production Number. Kaya tatanggap siya ng 3,000 pesos certificate at sash. O diba talaga naman nakaka-proud si Amabel, wala agad talo dahil meron nga siya agad na natanggap.
Patrick Maurice's team, along with Maria Eliana Gintek Bueno. Our best citizen is Binibini 9. She will receive a cash in a stash. Congratulations.
At kung akalain nyo nga na naulit ang video, hindi, mga kalingap. Tama kayo, 2 beses siya na natawag dahil ang pangalawang niyang minor award na natanggap ay Best in Swimsuit. At tatanggap nga siya ulit ng SHAS certificate at 3,000 pesos! Hindi na tayo mangangamba kay Amabel na baka wala siyang makuha dahil nga eto na nga tinaabot na, mga kalingap, ang SHAS at certificate bilang Best in Production Number. Grabe naman talaga si Amabel, hakot award.
We will be giving you a breather and we'll see you in
in just a bit.
Yes, this Binibini Kamaran survey will not be successful.
Tingin mo, pasok si Amabel.
We're now ready to announce our 10 semi-finalists. Let me remind everyone that once I announce the result of the semi-finalists, all the scores will be back to 0. And for this year, as soon as we call our 10 semi-finalists, they will immediately stand before me to choose a number from a fishbowl, and each number corresponds to a certain hashtag that they will interpret. The hashtags could be different things, anything and everything under the sun. But of course, before that, I believe that these ladies deserve our lalos. Isang buwan tayo nagsama-sama para sa Binibini Camarines Norte 2025. Girls, are you ready? Hawa ko na ngayon ang resulta ng ating hashtag. And semi-finalist, walang iba kundi ang Binibini! Congratulations, Binibini 8! Congratulations, Binibini! Kamusta na nararamdaman mo ngayon?
I feel overwhelmed and I'm so happy that Hotel Panganiban is here to support me.
Oh, your number. And you choose number 4. Hashtag environment.
Hashtag environment. As Camarines, we always dream of a sustainable environment, and I think we could attain that by empowering the youth in each one of us. If we will support the government initiatives and non-government organizations' initiatives or programs, I think we'll be able to attain the dream of Camarines that we always want to have, and that is to have the sustainable environment. We do not need to pass on any more generational problems, but rather let's pass on a sustainable way of living to protect our environment. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Congratulations to you. And now, you are also
Talino po
in
mga kalingap.
Binibini. Please support Binibini number 12.
Binibini 12 is Rosa Francisco.
Congratulations to Binibini number 8. So, kumusta?
My heart is so full. Thank you so much.
Okay, let's proceed. Take your number. You beat number 7. Hashtag technology.
Hashtag technology. In this world that we are going, we need technology right now. It helps us in every way, such as in schools, we have now easy access to technology. That's why we have now research programs that will help us in every day. And this leads to now a more sustainable environment, because right now we are facing climate decline, but with the help of technology, we now can see the progress and we now can see the problem. That's why we can now find solution because of the help of technology. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Binibini number 12. Okay. We will also know that. Congratulations, Binibini. Binibini number 3.
It's Marisha Sabrina from Municipality of
us. And through this platform, I will champion sustainability, empower our communities with environmental education, and eco-friendly initiatives that both honor progress and preservation. And tonight, I stand here, not just as Camarena, but for a greener and more sustainable future for all.
You are also in to our 10 semi-finalists, Beanie Beanie. Congratulations, Beanie Beanie, number 11.
Beanie 11 is Marielle Antoinette Corral.
Congratulations, Beanie Beanie, number 11. Kumusta? Meron ka ba gusto batiin sa lahat?
Of course, I feel so grateful right now, and thank you so much for my fellow Labuanos. I hope I made you proud.
Wow, malapit na ang last na sa inyo. Okay, take your number.
Kinakabahan si Tat.
Can you choose? Number 9. Hashtag Earth.
So, hi na banggit, love at Camarneños. So, as a Binibini, I would like to encourage everyone to participate, to act. I believe that small actions will lead to big impact. So, it is the matter of being responsible in the way we live in our daily life, from the way we eat, to the food we eat, to the way we travel and the electricity we use. I believe by these we can be able to have a positive change and a big impact in our community. And by that, I believe that we can build a better place to live in, not just for us today, but for the next generation as well. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Congratulations, Beanie Beanie, number 11. Now, sino po tayo sa announcement? Sino ba ang gusto nyo mapasama na semi-finalist?
Ilan na? Apat.
Wow!
Panglima na.
Don't worry, marami pa.
Panglima na yun?
Marami pa tayo yan.
O, panglima yun.
Right now,
5 pa?
our next Beanie Beanie na pasok sa ating 10 semi-finalist. Congratulations! You are also in Beanie Beanie! Beanie Beanie 9!
Beanie is Annabelle Igasco, Municipal Unidad.
Congratulations, Beanie Beanie 9! So, kumusta?
I'm so feeling excited and my heart is always happy because this is my dream.
Wow! So, of course, take your number. And you pick number 1. Hashtag inspiration.
Hashtag inspiration. Joining Binibini Camarines Norte is really a hard decision for me. But with the support of my family, I feel inspired. And with that, I will be able to showcase myself and be confident all the way of the competition. And now, I want to use my voice as Binibini Camarines Norte to show yourself, be confident, and for those people who see themselves in me, let's together face and embrace our imperfections. Thank you.
And now we will proceed.
Galing na, no?
Okay. Ganda na. You are also in.
Municipality of Dato.
How are you, number 1? How are you?
Ha? Ganun talaga? Depende.
And happy to be here tonight. Thank you.
Okay, that's good. Okay, take your number.
Us beauty queens, we showcase not just the beauty that we have on the physical aspects, but beauty
Kamusta?
I'm actually feeling good and very excited because I'm so inspired by all of you coming tenure, not just the Mercedes.
Wow! Napakarami mong supporters ngayon. Okay, take care of her. And you win. Number 10. Hashtag respect.
As a person with disability, and I grew up with all the mockery, the discrimination, I saw that people have no respect. It's not just about the education itself. It's about you having the character of being a disciplined, kind, and loving person, of course with respect. I know that we should all be knowledgeable about the characteristics, because if you're knowledgeable about respect, it will create a ripple effect where people can respect you as well, and they can respect the whole world, not just Camarines North. Good evening.
Thank you so much. Biggie number 4. Only G. How are you, Binibini? Good team.
Go Jay!
Well, we're in the part of the pageant where it's the very anxious part of the pageant. So I'm very overwhelmed right now, but I'm so proud to see that Camp Norteño is rooting for me in this stage.
Wow. Okay, that's your number now. Good luck. Choose number 8. Hashtag equality.
Go Jay!
As a Camp Norteño beauty queen, I realized that I should use this platform not only to advocate for myself or the municipality with whom I represent, but also the people who see themselves in me. And as a woman that is not indeed an ideal type of a beauty queen, as I create a lot of change in the environment and also the modern description of a modern Filipina, let this be an inspiration that each and every one of us is capable of creating space in the environment. And let this be also a reminder that each and every soul in this community should be accepted, not only tolerated. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Congratulations. What did I? You are also part of our 10 and 7 finalists. Beanie. Congratulations. Beanie number 5. Wow, congratulations Beanie number 5. So how are you?
Fine.
Relax, parang kinakabahan ka. Okay. Pick your number. Let me pick number 6. Hashtag purpose.
The hashtag indicates the movement of having a purpose in life that will encourage others or have an influence and make an impact on the community. As a candidate of Binibini Camarines Norte 2025, I came here not to only represent myself, but also to give a purpose in improving this environment, especially having sustainable development, which is to have an economy, sustain an environment, and a society that will be better in the future generations without abusing the resources so that our future generation will be raised. So my purpose in joining this pageant is not to only improve myself, but I want to also give a positive impact, make a big difference that will inspire others and make our environment in the society better in the future. Thank you, Bob.
Thank you, Beanie number 5. Congratulations. Ayan. Eto na. isa na lamang po ang aking i-announce. To our 10 semi-finalists, Beanie Beanie. Congratulations, Beanie Beanie number 6.
Beanie 6 is John Faustino.
Okay. Congratulations. So, how are you?
I'm feeling kind of nervous, but I'm ready to play the stage. And I want also to take this opportunity to thank my friends, families for being here. Your presence is enough.
Okay. Of course, the national number is number 2. Hashtag influence.
As a person whose goal is to inspire others and with dedication in everything they do, I firmly believe that the next Binibining Camarines Norte is about making a real difference. I will prove them that this title isn't just a crown, but a responsibility to serve and uplift others. I will promote multiculturalism that transcends every borders, reaching limitless boundaries and aspire to become globally and competitive citizens that are adaptive, God-fearing, and patriotic. Because I stand here tonight, not just a beauty queen, but a whole representative of every color venue that I will embody as your next Binibining Camarines Norte. Because we are the dreamers and believers of our journey. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Congratulations, Beanie Beanie number 6. There you have it, Temple Daniels, our 10 summer finalists. They are now supposedly not in the show. We will then actually have our 5 finalists. That is wanted to give us the introduction number. Please welcome on stage the Provincial Cultural Group, organized by the Provincial Tourism Operations Office. Ladies and gentlemen, give it a roar for the Top Cultura Campo Daniel Dance Show. We are ready to announce our 10 semi-finalists. Let me remind everyone that once I announce the result of the semi-finalists, all the scores will be back to 0. And for this year, as soon as we call our 10 semi-finalists, they will immediately stand before me to choose a number from a fishbowl, and each number corresponds to a certain hashtag that they will interpret. The hashtags could be different things, anything and everything under the sun.
For the 5 finalists in no particular order.
Grabe, ang bilis, Kelvin! Ako na ngayon mag-top 5 na tayo! Are you guys excited? Alright, so while we are waiting for our DPs, let's talk about our hashtag round. Very this earth, no? So hard like being this year, which is sustainability. And so they followed the format na very Miss Earth, and nakita natin yung personalities ng ating girls because they weren't given a time limit for the hashtag round. Actually, very articulate yung mga binibini natin, no?
So it's about time na tanungin natin yung mga audience natin. Who are your top 5 for this winning Binibining Camarines Norte 2025? In this side, who's your pick?
Dito sa kaliwas! Sino ang gusto niyo makapasok sa top 5? Alright! Habang dito sa gitna, sisip pa kayo, who are your best? Ayan, nakikita ko 7, we have 9. Buhay na buhay pa naman sila. Support na siya.
My pick is 6.
Ayan, 5.
mamili? Anong hashtag?
Kung ako ang papapiliin,
Sa 10 hashtag kanina.
kanina, siguro #influence.
Wow, bakit naman?
Ay, talagang in-on-the-spot ko. Siguro dahil gusto ko maging influencer.
Hindi ka ba influencer?
Hindi pa. Gusto ko po ng PR package. Kung gusto ko may sponsor sa akin, hello, I'm available. Gawin niyo po akong influencer. That's the hashtag I want to take. I think, at this point, masyado na tayong madaldaw. We are ready for our top 5 finalists! So let's go back! Our top 10 Beanie!
Starting with candidate number 8, 12, 13, 11, 9, 1, 4, 3, 5, and last candidate number 6.
Ayan, nagaganda pa rin ang ating Beanie. Let's give them a round of applause before we go to our top 5. Okay, nasa atin na ba ang mag-reward score?
At sa gabi ito, nahihirapan sila kasi it was a tight fight, especially answered the hashtag part.
Oo naman, at syempre palakpakan natin ang ating judges who have the hardest job tonight of picking from these. We are now moving on to our top 5 finalists.
In no particular order.
The first slot in our top 5 goes to Beanie number! Beanie number 3!
It's Ricky Naigo Sana.
Our third lucky candidate is candidate number 1!
The team black is Princess Malaka.
And you are in top 5, candidate number 9.
Is Amabel Ibas.
Congratulations, because you have cemented the last spot in the top 5. Beanie number! Beanie number! Beanie number
6 is Shannon Miguel Garcia.
Congratulations to our top 5 finalists!
The ladies now, the top 5, you're only one step away from bringing home the crown. So let's start with the lowest candidate. That is candidate number 1.
Alright! Ladies and gentlemen,
God, mga kalingap, pasok na si Amabel sa pangkay.
while the candidate is answering the question. Hello, Beanie number 1. So you have 45 seconds to answer. How are you feeling tonight? You look so beautiful.
Thank you. I'm just really grateful and I'm happy. And I just want to thank my family and friends supporting me here tonight. Thank you.
Alright, I think we are ready for the question. Or are we not? Okay, hindi pa dahil dyan, I'm gonna cheat kayo first. Who are here with you tonight? You have your family supporting you in the audience. Can you give them a quick shout out? And what's your favorite memory of them supporting you?
That they are one more nervous than me. But I know that they could give it me. That's all.
Of course naman, and because of that, keep that belief in you because we are going to start our Q&A round. Good luck, Beanie.
Partner talaga nakasisyo. Okay, I will read this question twice. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. In a world where beauty standards continue to evolve and the societal expectation for women are in the constant flux, how would you use your voice and influence as Binibining Camarines Norte to challenge stereotypes, promote cultural identity, and redefine the essence of empowered beauty in the context of our local heritage and global responsibility? Again, in a world where beauty standards continue to evolve and societal expectations for women are in constant flux, how would you use your voice and influence as Binibining Camarines Norte to challenge stereotype, promote cultural identity, and redefine the essence of empowered beauty in the context of our local heritage and global responsibility? Your timer starts now.
Good evening. I know that society have expectations to beauty queens, but I know I would use this platform to prove that beauty has no standards, and I would use the stage and this platform to promote my advocacies, to spark ideas and changes that needed here in our community. And as your next Binibining Camarines Norte, I would use this platform to promote our local culture, to empower our women, because this is what society needed. After all, I believe that a thriving Camarines Norte, it's all about our people, empowering our people and supporting them. Thank you so much.
Ganun lang yun. Relax lang, diba? And thank you to our audiences. Very good kayo. Tahimik na kayo habang sumasagot ang ating.
Sure din yung sumasagot sila habang maingit. So let's respect our candidates while they're answering the question.
And who is our next Binibini?
Next candidate is candidate number 3.
Alright, so candidate number 3 is coming from the soundproof room. Saan kaya yun? No? Baka malayo. Sana hindi malayo. Ayun na nga siya. Binibini number 3. Alright, Binibini. Welcome on stage. You look so beautiful. Give a little shout out to your supporters.
I just want to shout out to my number 2.
Okay, are you ready? Alright.
Just a reminder, you have given 45 seconds to answer this question. So I'll just read the question twice. So are you ready? Alright. The question is, in a world where beauty standards continue to evolve and societal expectations for women are in the constant flux, how would you use your voice and influence as Binibining Camarines Norte to challenge stereotype, promote cultural identity, and redefine the essence of empowered beauty in the context of our local heritage and global responsibility? Again, in a world where beauty standards continue to evolve and societal expectations for women are in constant flux, how would you use your voice and influence as Binibining Camarines Norte to challenge stereotypes, promote cultural identity, and redefine the essence of empowered beauty in the context of our local heritage and global responsibility?
As a proud daughter of Camarines Norte, I was able to stand here. If you see and notice my photos and my videos I have on me, I don't even have the flawless stomach. But I am here today, celebrating the Banihayag with my fellow Camarines, knowing that we can amplify our voices and nurture our minds. And together, we can move forward as one, bagong Camarteno, produktibo at disiplinado. Thank you. Wow, congrats to supporters din, Binibining number 3. Hindi pinakabahan ang aming mga Binibini.
Parang sanay.
And you know the good thing is, nakilala din ang judges, yung Binibinis natin earlier today. That's why they know that these girls are so quick with it.
So are you ready to call on the next candidate?
Of course.
Let me call on candidate number 4.
Hello, Binibini! You look so beautiful in red. Is red your favorite color?
Oh yes, actually red is my favorite.
Ayan. So, are you ready to answer the question?
So much red.
Okay. I will read the question twice and you have 45 seconds to answer. In a world where beauty standards continue to evolve and societal expectations for women are in constant flux, how will you use your voice and influence as Binibining Camarines Norte to challenge stereotypes, promote cultural identity, and redefine the essence of empowered beauty in the context of our local heritage and global responsibility? Again, in a world where beauty standards continue to evolve and societal expectations for women are in constant flux, how will you use your voice and influence as Binibining Camarines Norte to challenge stereotypes, promote cultural identity, and redefine the essence of empowered beauty in the context of our local heritage and global responsibility? Your timer starts now.
As an advocate for the empowerment of every person with disability, I am truly here to redefine pageantry, for us to have another beauty standard in which it creates inclusivity, diversity, and of course, acceptance for all. With that acceptance, I know that we can empower each and every of the citizens to be beautiful, just what they are. And with that, I know that that education cannot just only uplift others, but it can only create a sustainable growth from within. And that growth from within, I know that it can grow not just from within, but it can also create a ripple effect in which everybody here in Camarines Norte will be beautiful because...
Thank you, Binibini, and congratulations! You can now rest and breathe backstage. You did a great job. Alright, ganun lang talaga. This is proving us na it's so easy.
Alright, going on. The next candidate number 6.
I think candidate number 6 medyo matatraffic siya. Alright, they're coming from the soundproof room, so all of the Binibinis do not know that they are answering a common question. As far as I know, ngayon lang nila magdalaman na isang tanong lang pala silang lahat. That's why we're eagerly waiting for Binibini 6.
Okay, here's candidate number 6 on stage.
Hello, Binibini. You look like a blossoming flower. Thank you. Alright, can you give a little shout out to your supporters? First of all, I wanted to take this opportunity to thank the beloved municipality of Mercedes and Manila itself. Thank you so much for coming and supporting us all throughout this magic trip. And also, I want to thank my family and friends. And of course, kay God, hindi ko pa na-expect. Okay, Binibini, are you ready? Yes. I will read the question twice. In a world where beauty standards continue to evolve and societal expectations for women are in constant flux, how would you use your voice and influence as Binibining Camarines Norte to challenge stereotypes, promote cultural identity, and redefine the essence of empowered beauty in the context of our local heritage and global responsibility?
Empathy and compassion. Resilient allows her to genuinely connect from all people from all walks of life, while resilience is what enables her to stand up with grace and prove that strength isn't about the absence of struggles but the ability to overcome it. Above all, compassion. Compassion is what empowers her to lead with kindness.
Thank you so much, Binibini. Great job. You can now breathe backstage. Take a breather, take a rest. You did amazing. Okay. Thank you sa support ng Binibini 6. Nanahimik tayo tonight. Oo, talaga. But it's good na hindi nila. Kasi mas nakaka-pressure kapag naitingin nila eh.
So, for our last candidate, that's candidate number 9.
Alright.
Calling on stage, candidate number 9.
The last Binibini for tonight before we find out who our winners are. Kaya naman, once again, thank you to our audiences for being super supportive and so great to our Binibini. Binibini number 9, come up on stage!
There you have it, candidate number 9 on stage.
Hello, Binibini. You look so elegant. How are you feeling tonight? Kamusta? Nakita ko nag-sign off ng cross ka pa doon.
I feel so very excited and just what like I have said earlier that this is my dream, the Binibining Camarines Norte crown.
Okay, let's live it up. Are you ready for your final question? Okay, I will read it twice and you have 45 seconds to answer. In a world where beauty standards continue to evolve and societal expectations for women are in a constant flux, how would you use your voice and influence as Binibining Camarines Norte to challenge stereotypes, promote cultural identity, and redefine the essence of empowered beauty in the context of our local heritage and global responsibility? In a world where beauty standards continue to evolve and societal expectations for women are in constant flux, how would you use your voice and influence as Binibining Camarines Norte to challenge stereotypes, promote cultural identity, and redefine the essence of empowered beauty in the context of our local heritage and global responsibility? Your timer starts now.
When I was a child, I always experienced being bullied. A lot of discriminations that I received makes me more stronger. And as I'm growing up, I believe that being an empowered woman is not just being beautiful in the outside, because beauty is subjective. It can be seen outside, but the most importance about being beautiful is that you have a good heart. Thank you.
Thank you, Binibini number 9, and congratulations na rin. Makakahinga na sila. I am so excited for the results. Ang galing ng ating mga Binibini. So once more, ladies and gentlemen, that concludes all rounds of competition for our Binibini Camarines Norte 2025. We
Tama ka, sumaikli. Tama ka, sumaikli. Kinakabahan nata siya. Kinakabahan nata siya.
In a short while, we'll find
Tama
who
naman,
of
kaso
all
maikli.
our 5 finalists will make the big winner tonight. Only here in Binibining Camarines Norte 2025 Returns.
Feeling ko yung nakakulay green, nakakulay green, number 3, kasi natapos niya ito sa haba, Tats, feeling ko yung number 3. Feeling ko yung number 3 ang mananalo. Number 3 nakakulay. Kasi mahaba, tapos hindi niya natapos. Yung tanong, number 3, yung kanila. Feeling ko.
And right now, ladies and gentlemen, hawak ko na ang resulta ng ating mga winners.
Yan po si Amabel, number 9. Yan po.
Are you ready, Campeños?
Sa pila.
Okay, so natin matagin pa. Eto na, i-announce natin ang ating mga winners. Our second runner-up for Binibining Camarines Norte 2025. Once again, congratulations. Of course, sa natin ating Binibini's. Good luck. Our second runner-up for Binibining Camarines Norte 2025 is candidate Binibini number 6.
Once again, Binibining number 6, our second runner-up.
Presenting the award for our second runner-up is Sir Jasper Almagro, along with Manila Shane Baon. She will receive the following prizes: 25,000 pesos in cash, sash, trophy, bouquet, a gift certificate worth 4,000 pesos from Andres Governor Ronald Salmini, Dr. Camarines Norte, and corporate board St. George, and St. Francis Carrasco Culinary Academy at San Domingo Vincent, Camarines Norte. Once again, our second runner-up will be once again, congratulations.
There you have it, our second runner-up. Now, calling on for our first runner-up. Our
bouquet, a gift certificate worth 4,000 pesos from Andrew Aesthetic and Wellness Clinic, located at Garrett Road Building, Governor Pinote's Avenida at Camarines Norte, and a short-term course of their choice at St. Francis Caracciolo Culinary Academy, located at Santo Domingo Residence, Camarines Norte. Once again, congratulations, Binibini 3 from Daet, Marish May Ichi Sabrinal. Congratulations.
Congratulations to our runners-up, and now we are moving on to the crown. Next up is Binibini Camarines Norte Turismo 2025. Our Binibini Camarines Norte Turismo 2025 is Binibini number 1.
Presenting the award for now.
Louis Christine, along with Camille and Jane Dawn. She will receive the following prizes: 50,000 cash,
si Ama pinalapot yung isang natitira.
bouquet, a gift certificate worth 4,000 pesos from Andrews Aesthetic and Wellness Clinic, located at Garrett Building, Governor Pinote's Avenue, Daet, Camarines Norte, and a short-term course of their choice at St. Francis Caracciolo Culinary Binibini Turismo is Binibini 1 from Daet. Princess Malapad, congratulations!
Naiiyak na siya.
And of course, maraming salamat po. Kaya napakaganda ng ating mga video coverage and photos. Naku, i-upload na naman yan sa social media. Kaya abangan nyo po, please like and follow our Facebook page, ang Norte Provincial Tourism Office Facebook page para sa mga pictures natin sa Bantayog Festival at sa Binibini Camarines Norte 2025. Thank you very much. Of course, ating mga photographers. Ayan, maraming salamat. Ayan ka na Sir Ramon Desino, maraming salamat po. And of course, Kuya Louie, Kuya Robin, maraming salamat. And Saturday, Sunday boys, thank you very much po sa inyo. And of course, gusto rin po magpasalamat once again sa Elegantias. Maraming salamat po sa patuloy nyo na pag-support sa ating mga pageants. And of course, may personal sponsor. Saan? Dito kaya? May request our two remaining candidates. So please, step forward. Dito po tayo. Okay na yan. Sabi ng ating budget director. Eto na, i-announce muna po natin. Of course, Calvin.
As we all know, partner, the role of Binibini Bantayog is very essential. If for any reason Binibini Camarines Norte 2025 cannot fulfill her duties, the Binibini Bantayog 2025 will take over her duties. Once again, just a reminder that the role of Binibining Bantayog is very essential. If for any reason Binibini Camarines Norte 2025 cannot fulfill her duties, the Binibini Bantayog 2025 will take over her duties.
I will first announce the Binibining Bantayog 2025. And automatically, the one left is our Binibining Camarines Norte 2025 winner. Let's do this, Camarines Norte! Our Binibining Bantayog 2025 is
Our Binibining Bantayog 2025 is candidate number 4!
Siya ang panalo!
receive the following prizes: 75,000 pesos in cash, sash, trophy, bouquet, a gift certificate worth 4,000 pesos from Andrew Aesthetic.
We proudly present you the winner of Binibining Camarines Norte 2025. Ladies and gentlemen, Binibining number 9.
Congratulations once again, Binibining number 9 for winning Miss Binibining Camarines Norte 2025.
Presenting the award for our Binibining Camarines Norte 2025 is Montpellier Jane Bowen, Sir Nestor Almagro, along with Trixie Georgia Aganan Binibining Camarines Norte 2024, along with Sir Abel Icatlo. OIC Provincial Tourism Operations Office. Our Binibining Camarines Norte 2025 will receive the following prizes: 100,000 pesos worth of cash, sash, trophy, bouquet, a gift certificate worth 4,000 pesos from Andrew Aesthetic and Wellness Clinic, located at Guerra Building, Governor Canones Avenue, Daet Camarines Norte, and the short-term course of your choice at St. Francis Canacho Culinary Academy, located at Santo Domingo Vincents, Camarines Norte. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our newly crowned Binibining Camarines Norte is Binibining 9 from Daet, Amabel Ibasco.
Camarines Norte, your 2025 Queen!
Wow, congratulations, Queens. Of course, on behalf of the provincial government of Camarines Norte, Sangguniang Panlalawigan board members, our Museum Archive and the Shrine Curation Division ng Camarines Norte Provincial Tourism Operations Office, ako po ang hinakasama, Direk Vince Rigafrente.
And I'm your Mr. Universe Tourism International 2019 first runner-up, Calvin Vicente. Hope you enjoy your show tonight.
And I am your VJ, Ea Almamari, just mabalos po sa Indong Kabos. And we hope to see you again in Binibining Camarines Norte 2026.
Happy Batayog Festival! Mabuhay!
At dito na nga nagtatapos ang beauty pageant na Binibining Cam Norte 2025 na sinalihan ni Amabel ngayong gabi, na kung saan siya nga ang nagwagi mga kalingap at tatanggap ng grand prize. O, diba? It's time to party-party na sila, mga kalingap. Sila nga ang hinirang na top 5 dito sa Binibining Cam Norte 2025. Talaga namang nagagandahan at napakatatalino ng mga candidate na ito.